Hey guys, today I will show you how to change keybinds in Monster Hunter World. First, launch Monster Hunter World and open the main menu. Go to Options, then select Key Config. Here you will find the Keyboard Settings menu where you can see the default button layout for all actions. Select the action you want to rebind, such as Attack, Dodge, or Item Use, and press the new key or button you want to assign. You can customize both keyboard and mouse controls on PC. Once you are done, hit the back button on your mouse to save the changes before exiting the menu. Keep in mind that some actions are shared across multiple buttons, so check that your new keybinds don't conflict with other important controls. Quick tip, try adjusting only a few keybinds at a time and test them in the training area to make sure they feel comfortable before changing the full layout. And that is how to change keybinds in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.